you have to figure out if you have the bandwidth to manage an affiliate program. So if you want to start an affiliate program, that's great, but it's going to cost you X amount of dollars each month to run that software. And if it's just sitting there and doing nothing, there are not going to be affiliates just magically joining your program and coming to promote you. That is not how it works. You have to have an active affiliate manager going out there and recruiting affiliates and getting them sales active, getting them posting on their social media and targeting their audience, telling them about your product. Affiliate marketing is not magic. You have to put hard work into it to make it happen.